Welcome to Abstract Press. In this video, I will show you how to generate QR code from your Roblox profile or how to share your profile link with a friend. Basically, within Roblox app, you can generate a QR code that your friend can scan from his device and add you as a friend on his Roblox. So to do that, you have to go to your profile. This is Roblox on desktop. So from here, I will click profile icon or my name. And here we see this QR code icon. Click that and here is the QR code. This QR code can be used to share profile link. So basically you can click this button, copy profile link and share it via WhatsApp or email, or you can share this QR code. Or your friend can scan this QR code to add you as his friend on his Roblox. And if you are on mobile, open Roblox app. Go to your profile. To do that, press your display name or avatar picture, and here it is, QR code button. Press that. Tap share profile link button to copy your Roblox profile link and share it with friends on WhatsApp, social media, or anywhere else. You can also share the QR code. Your friend can scan it using the Roblox app to open your profile instantly and send you a friend request. So this is how you can share your Roblox profile or generate QR code from your Roblox app to share your profile link with others. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.